Good day everyone. I am Olivia R. Ison, together with my group mates Janelle Soria, Rachel Ariem, and Sherin Espada. We are going to discuss to you about the linear programming, Module 7. The content of our report are the following: linear inequalities, graph of linear inequalities, finding corner point, and geometry of linear programming. Linear programming. George B. Danzig, father of linear programming. He developed the LP or linear programming in 1947. So the pioneer of linear programming is Mr. George B. Danzig. He is the father of linear programming. He developed the linear programming in the year 1947. Linear programming. So what is linear programming? It is a way of solving problems involving two variables with certain constraints. This method is solving problems has applications in business, supply chain management, hospitality, cooking, farming, and crafting. The example of linear programming is maximizing profit, minimizing costs. Constraints in linear programming. What is constraints in linear programming? It is expressed as a linear inequality. They usually limit the value of the decision variables. So may example po tayo sa constraints in linear programming. Kung paano po isusulat yung linear programming in constraints. So, ang example po natin dito ay, each plane carry no more than 80,000 pounds. The bottled water weighs 20 pounds per container and each medical kit weighs 10 pounds. Let X represent the number of bottles of water to be shipped and Y the number of medical kits. Write an inequality that describes these constraints. So, magsusulat na po tayo kung paano yung inequality sa constraints. So, i-analyze po muna natin yung question. Ang hinahanap po ay yung bottled water. Tapos, meron po siyang 80,000 pounds. Bottled water. 20 pounds. Ito po, 20 pounds. 20. Let X po. X po ang i-represent natin. So, lalagyan po natin ng X yung 20. Plus, dito na po tayo sa medical kit. May weight po siya na 10 pounds. Ito po, 10 pounds. Tapos, lalagyan po siya natin ng Y kasi Y po yung i-represent natin sa medical kit. Tapos, yung symbol po ng inequality na ilalagay natin ay no more than, meaning less than or equal to, ito po, 80,000 pounds. Yun lang po, medical kit. So, ganyan lang po magsulat ng inequality sa constraints. Linear inequalities. Linear inequalities in two variable x and y is a linear equation that can we write in two forms. Ax plus by is equal to c. Kapag sinabi po natin linear equation, ginagamitan po natin siya ng symbol na equals, where a, b, and c are constants. Y is equal to mx plus b, where the slope is m and b is the y-intercept. Such an equation called linear because its graph is a line. So, yung y po natin ay diretso na patayo. Tapos, ang x po natin is yung pahiga po siya. So, such an equation called linear because it's a graph. Ito po, yung mga linear equation at linear inequalities ay ginagamit natin sa graphing. Linear inequalities. It is an open mathematical sentence form when an inequality symbol is placed between two expressions. Symbols used in linear inequality: greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal. Example, x less than 3. X minus 4 is greater than or equal to 7. 4 plus x is less than or equal to 3 plus 2x. Pag sinabi po nating linear inequalities, ito na po yung ginagamitan natin ng symbol ng greater than, greater than or equal, at less than or equal. Sa mga nalilito po sa symbol na ginagamit sa inequality tulad ng greater than, less than, greater than or equal, at less than or equal. Greater than po, ganito lang po siya. G. Pa-letter G po siya. Greater than. Yung less than na po, ganito po. Less than. Less than. Greater than or equal, pag may sign po siya na ganyan, ang basa po sa kanya ay greater than or equal. At ito po, less than, syempre, may kasamang equals, kaya less than or equal. Ganun lang po kasimple pag magbabasa po tayo ng equation na inequalities. Solving linear inequalities. Solving linear equation and solving linear inequalities. May example po tayo ng linear equation dito at meron po sa kabila linear inequalities. Ipapakita ko po kung paano i-solve yung linear equation at linear inequality. Example po natin ng linear equation ay 4x plus 8 is equal to 16. Sa linear inequality naman po ay 4x plus 8 greater than 16. Solve po muna natin yung linear equation. Cancel 8 down yung 4x equals 16 minus 8 is equal to 8 over 4 para matanggal yung kasama ng x at yung para ma-divide by 4 is equal to x is equal to 2. Doon naman po sa kabila, ganun din po, same process. Cancel. X greater than 2. Same process po sila. Ang pinagkaiba lang po ay yung symbol. Second example po. Solve po ulit natin siya. Ganon din po yung process. Magtanggal lang po tayo. Kung ano po yung tatanggalin nating number, yun din po ang ipares po natin para makancel po siya. Sa kabila, same process lang din po. Same answer po talaga kapag linear equation at linear inequality. Yun nga lang po, ginagamitan po ng equals. Tas dito po mga linear inequality symbols. Mag-solve naman po tayo ng linear equation at linear inequalities na nagsiswitch ng mga symbols. Example po ng linear equation ay 5 minus 2x is equal to 25. Sa linear inequality, ganun din po. 5 minus 2x less than or equal to 25. Solve na po natin. Para makancel po. Tapos, negative 2x. Negative 20. Negative 2. Negative 2. X is equal to negative 10. Dito naman po sa kabila. Less than or equal to 20. Negative 2, negative 2. X is less than or equal to negative 10. Ito po, switch na po natin siya. Ito po, ito, at ito. Papalitan po natin siya dahil nag-divide po tayo dito ng negative. Palitan na po natin siya kasi ito na po yung final answer. Ganun lang po yung pag-switch ng symbol sa inequality. Solving inequality, switching symbols. Linear inequality, example number 1, 7 greater than minus 5 plus 2x. Example 2, 3x plus 2 greater than or equal to 5 plus 5x. Mag-solve naman po tayo ng inequality sa switching symbol. Negative po siya, kaya plus naman po para makancel. Plus din siya. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Tapos 2x over 2 over 2. Cancel. 6. Greater than x. So, mag-switch po tayo ng symbol kasi ito pong x, hindi po siya pwede na nasa right side. Ang kailangan po natin ay yung x dapat po nandun sa left side. Kaya po switching magiging x. Tapos ito po, ito na natin siya ilalagay. Kasi po nag-switch na tayo ng symbol. Solving inequality, switching symbol po. Example number 2, 3x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 5 plus 5x. Tanggalin na po natin yung mga hindi sasali. Greater than 3 plus 5x. Magiging 2x X din pala. Sorry. 2 plus 3. Negative po pala yan. Negative 2x. Tanggalin ko po Negative 2x divide negative 2 x. Ito po yung sagot, 'di ba? Pero po dahil mag-switch na tayo ng symbol, dahil nag-divide tayo ng negative, final answer po. Final answer ay x. Ito na po natin yan. Less than 3. Ito na po yung final answer na makukuha natin. Yun lamang po. And thank you for listening.